Here's how you can change the iPhone time to 12-hour format. Let me show you how it works, and if you're new here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. Now, of course, you need to open up your settings app as usual and go to the general section where you can see the date and time like that. And just a few things, you have one toggle at the top for the 24-hour time, so you naturally want to make sure this is turned off, and this will of course switch it back to the 12-hour format. It doesn't change the actual time or the time zone. None of that gets affected. It is the toggle below actually, but you can see that this applies for just the 24 and 12-hour format. Keep in mind, however, that in case you are using the Apple Watch, it will not be automatically reflected there, and you have to set it up specifically for the watch as well inside of the watch application, general, and the clocks. Inside of the clock section right away, and you'll be able to again change the 24-hour time, but now specifically for the watch only. So that's all I wanted to show you in this quick video. Let me know what you think, hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you soon.